Hello, I welcome you back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are literally just to clarify a couple of things, a few things here and there concerning MT4 and MT5. That is, of course, the removal of MT4 MT5 from the App Store. Yes, the fact is these applications were removed from App Store. However, they do still exist on Google Play Store. That is for Android devices and also for Windows application operating system and also Apple laptops. So it's only affecting those people that are using iOS, that is the mobile version, that is from the App Store. Now, uh, this removal is not going to affect those people that are already having these softwares on their phones. However, it's going to be affecting those that will be coming in that are new. When you go to App Store, you will not be in position to find MT4 MT5 on this platform. Now, let's get to see the reasons, some of the reasons, or what we hear, what has been published, being the reason as to why this application was removed from the App Store. Like, share, and subscribe. Well, first and foremost, MetaTrader Software Corporation is a Russian software company that also has its regulations offshore, that is in Cyprus. And a couple of rumors have been coming out saying that the reason as to why these two were brought down, the MT4 MT5 from App Store, because of the Western sanctions that were put on Russia. However, according to financialmagnets.com, they're actually saying that it's nothing related, or there is nothing to do with the sanctions based onto Russia, even though MetaTrader Software Corporation is, of course, based in Russia. Rather, the owner is a Russian citizen. There is nothing, these two are linked. So that's not the reason as to why these were brought down. Now, the main reason as to why these were brought down is mainly, we can get it from financialmagnets.com. However, according to financialmagnets.com, MetaTrader's company received a letter from Apple on Friday, September 23rd, stating that the firm trading apps do not comply with the App Store review guidelines. So, meaning that it's nothing to do with the sanctions, the Western sanctions posed on Russia. It is something to do with the application not having, complying with the guidelines, with the review guidelines of Apple as Apple Corporation. So, basically, it is something to do. However, we hear as well in the programming of these softwares, there are certain parameters whereby someone can easily manipulate certain things or change things here and there. That is things to do with the profits and all that. So it is something to do with the coding parameters within these softwares that do not comply with the reviewed guidelines of Apple as a company. So this is not going to affect those that already are trading. So if you have these softwares in your platform, platforms in your phones, make sure you don't upgrade them, because if you think of upgrading them and probably delete them as well, you will not find them anymore. That will be the end of you. So the solution is, at least for now, to make sure that we use the brokerage applications that are already that are customized. Then, we also need to buy Android devices for those that have iOS, probably that are thinking to download this. Basically, that's the little information I can provide based on what has been happening here and there. Though, one thing that we know, this cannot affect the financial markets. However, it may affect the new traders that are coming in, and also the old ones in one way or the other. So this may not affect the traders in general. So hope you find this information helpful, and hope you however, in case of any solution, we will come in to help you here and there. Thank you so much. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.